Congratulations. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find my API key. I could have sworn. And then the hope that I do not, that I do not, accidentally dox it. You finished being not first now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. I'm not ready. I'm not ready, guys. I'm not ready. I'm overwhelmed. I'm stressing. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Like I'm seriously just not ready to stream tonight. I'm not ready for I'm not ready for anything. Uh, okay. Oh, thank you. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm tired, guys. I'm so tired. And I don't know what's going on with my warm-up. Like, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Okay, okay. Hold on. Okay, hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, so warm up. Sure, I don't have anything. I don't want doxed. Yep. Yep. 2 stream streak. We're back on a streak. We're back on a streak, guys. Okay. Create a folder called assignments 5, blah blah blah. Right. I don't remember how to do this. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Mm. Oh, it's duh. I knew that. String. I knew that, guys. I knew that. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to finish my dailies too. I'm very behind. I should be focusing on code, but I'm trying to finish my dailies. So yes. And it's like a silly game that I don't even know. I'm like literally just doing it for the coins that they give me for um for what do you call it? I can't even think right now what I was gonna say. I'm literally doing it for the coins that they give me for webtoons. But yeah, how is everyone? I don't know what that means, Metal. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Do I need this? Maybe I don't need this. Okay. Do I need this? Hold on. Hi, Sending. Oh my gosh. I left baby bunny in bed. She was like, Mommy, can I sleep on your pillow? Can I use your blanket? And I was just like, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so they want me to so change directory assignment 5 feel like Wordle. Oh. It's actually a merge game. Like, yeah, Webtoons has this thing. Webtoons has this thing where it's if you play certain games and you complete the tasks, you can earn coins. And yeah, so how is everyone? I'm obviously not in the um best mindset to code tonight. Um a little update. That's it, yeah. Right? Actually, I don't know which one you guys are looking at. Okay. So a little update. I have two interviews on Monday. Um which is great. Amazing, right? Amazing. Um However, I'm I don't have anyone to watch Baby Bunny. So originally what I was gonna do was her teacher, I was gonna see if she could go with her teacher after her like 3 hour program, right? However, her teacher is booked, like her teacher has 4 kids. So like sorry, four students. And so that means that no room for Baby Bunny. And I knew this like going in, that there was gonna be a very good chance that she was gonna be booked. The kids love her. Well, that means that one of the interviews I will be doing with Baby Bunny in the house without anybody to watch. I messaged I not message. I ran into one of my neighbors today who were close, and like her daughter adores Baby Bunny. Yeah, she's working, unfortunately. The other 2 people that I was thinking about asking, one of them actually just started working again. Um and the other one has a baby, a younger baby, and then the kid that's Baby Bunny's age is in preschool now. So, well, daycare, preschool, I don't know. Like she's older than Baby Bunny, but like I think it's considered preschool. So like, yeah. I don't know what to do, guys. Like I don't know what to do. There's a good chance that she's going to have a meltdown in the middle of quiet time. There's a good chance that this could cost me my ability to move forwards. Yeah, it's yeah. That's what I'm going through right now. So, Baby Bunny doesn't take naps. She hasn't for the past almost year and a half. She's always been a minimal sleeper. Like last night, she went to sleep at like 9:30 and woke up at 6 a.m. this morning. And I made her take a nap today, and it was a fight. And she slept like 30 minutes. um, and she also does play, like, luckily that day. So she's in a very, very part time program. Like, once or twice a week depending. And it's 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 a commute for me, so usually I will stay somewhere up there. But because literally if I go home, I will only have like an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and a half to go back up to pick her up, go back down to pick her up. And then yeah, so my schedule is going to be literally get her ready in the morning, drop her off, rush home, get ready, like 10 minutes to get ready, do an interview, then I have to rush back up to pick her up, and then I have to rush home and get her situated, and then do another interview, and hope that me rushing doesn't stress her out so much that she flips out. Steven, what do you mean what happened? So I'm so glad your kids. I'm not sure I'm looking forward to that. I don't want her to grow up too fast. Okay. Let me read the document. Sending. Okay, I probably shouldn't. I'm gonna. I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. But I've been cooking at home, right, since Hubs is gone, and it's easier for me. Okay, it's easier for me to cook for me and baby bunny than it is to cook for Hubs. But I made mini sliders today, super quick, and she demolished them. So it made me feel good. Okay, I'm just reading documentation. I'm gonna hit a focus mode really quick, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna hit focus mode. I want to get as much of this done today as I can. So there's gonna be a lot of focus modes. So here's the plan for this week. Today and tomorrow, work on this homework as much as I can. Friday, Saturday, study, LeetCode. Sunday, also study. I'm probably gonna do a mock interview with How Long, and then my other friend offered to do a mock interview too. I will probably stream it, but that also means that I will not be talking during chat. I will just be talking to him. Sunday will probably be a very short stream if I do stream. Otherwise, I'm gonna just stay off and just study. And then Monday, interviews, and then Monday night, I might take off depending on how I feel and how far I get with my homework for data engineering. And then Tuesday, I will hop back on, finish my homework, hopefully. And then probably take Wednesday, Thursday off of next week. But that's the plan. So tonight, tomorrow, work on homework. Friday, Saturday, right? Yeah, Friday, Saturday, LeetCode and mock interviews. Sunday is a maybe for stream. Probably not. Probably will just stay off and focus, but we'll see how I'm feeling. Monday, do my interview. See, that one is up in the air. I might take that night off because I have a feeling I'm going to want to cuddle with baby bunny after that day. And then Tuesday, I'll be back. Okay. So I'm going to hit a focus mode. I'm going to read some documentation on the API. And yeah. Okay. Be right back. Okay. Generate. Use chat. As we'll use GPT. Let's create a message and see its response. The name of the model. Wait, hold on. What is this response? The response is okay, so we want to response dot choice is a list of chat response. Choices 0 miss on Oh wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So I need the model's response, not the whole object. Then print the name of the model. Okay, and then this will be so I don't need this. Print wow, I can't write. I can't write right now. F the F the model's response. Okay, and then this is the name of the model. Response. Oh my gosh. And then print the total number of tokens usage. Okay. Let's see. Hi, Mawia. Thanks so much for subscribing on YouTube Techno. I appreciate it so much. Hope everyone is doing well tonight. Oh my goodness! Daniel, guess, thank you so much for subscribing using your Prime on Twitch. I know that you only get one a month, so I really appreciate that you chose to use your subscription on me. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Okay, so since it's pretty quiet tonight, I will just keep going before I get even more distracted. Okay, run the same prompt. different temperatures. Okay, let's first see. Successfully loaded API key. Perfect. Oh, that did not work. Wait, yes it did. Yes it did. Okay, that worked. Perfect. Prompt. Let's create a message and see its response. So, how do we messages? Well, okay, so we're gonna do temperature equals client dot chat dot completions create model equals 40. And honestly, guys, I may or may not have had a very what did I do? Oh, this is wrong. I actually started questioning if I was able to do this. I don't know. Like I feel like if I wasn't Hi Escobar. I feel like if I wasn't full-time parent caretaker for my kid and that she wasn't not in school, I feel like I could time manage better. But like it just feels like my battery is so drained by the end of the night most of the time that I feel like I'm getting dumber, guys. Like I know you guys tell me not to do negative self-talk, and I'm not like I'm not trying to do negative self-talk, but like literally I feel like I'm getting dumber. And I don't feel like I'm that smart to begin with. Like I feel like I am decently intelligent, but I feel like I'm getting dumber. Like I feel like okay, here's average, here's me. I will say like okay, most of the time. Sometimes I have some really like questionable moments, but most of the time I would say I'm a little above average. No, I feel like I'm down here right now. I feel like I don't even know like what was that word? Like seriously, the fact that I keep using like and seriously and um no, I don't want to just listen to people. I don't just want I see I can't even think of the word compliments. I don't want compliments on my looks or anything like that. Like that just actually makes me feel a little bit, it gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't know why. It always has. It always has given me the heebie-jeebies when people, and yes, I like using the word heebie-jeebies. Um, but yeah, like I don't remember what the word was, but I had written it so many times that was questioning if I was spelling it correctly. I think my baby is awake. Oh, she is. My baby is still awake, guys. Okay. I've been filling out so many applications that I have started questioning if I'm even spelling my city. The city I live in. I am like, I have to double check sometimes because I'm like, why does this not look right to me? Why does this not look right? Like, I feel like I'm losing my mind, guys. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Uh, it's common. It's common to lose your mind. What? What? Malia, so the thing is, it's not even like I don't want to study, but I feel like, okay, I think part of my problem is I am, well, that's my city. That's my city. Okay, so I know I'm pretty outgoing on stream. I tend to talk a lot and things like that. But a lot of the times, these are like my internal thoughts that I just need to get out, right? And like, it might not seem it, but I am a huge introvert in the sense that I need so much alone time. Like, so much alone time. If I could if I could huddle under the covers and read for a month. I'm not even exaggerating. One of the things that my friends used to joke about was I would disappear for months on end. And it wasn't because like I was upset with anyone or anything like that. It wasn't that people were upset with me. It was just like literally I needed to recharge and just hermit. You know, I just I would read, like you guys have witnessed it too, where there's just been a months where I'm just like, sorry guys, I'm not gonna stream. And I think part of the thing is right now, you guys keep me accountable. Me streaming my homework keeps me accountable. But with me and baby bunny, I love her to death. Love her to death. Okay, sorry. That let's not say it like that. I love her so much. You know, I my heart is so full and like I can't get enough of her. But at the same time, I don't have any alone time. Any alone time. Like even even when I sleep because we co-sleep, she is right there. And she is very much like I am so overstimulated all the time. And yeah, like yeah, it's just it's just very, very, very interesting and difficult. And sorry guys, like I said, I'm trying to finish my daily. I don't think this is gonna happen. I don't think this is happening today, guys. Yeah, I don't think this is happening. Oh, and that's the wrong. Uh... Anyways, but yeah, like it's just I don't know, guys. I don't know. Don't give up. I can do it. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's just yeah. It's I do think a lot of it is I need my hermit time. I need my hermit time. Okay, so do response. And let's do for temperature in temperatures. Hold on. They showed me. Uh, my baby is still awake. My baby is still awake. Okay, what is N1? Also, for those who either are Canadian or grew up when I did, who here remembers clearly is it Canadian or Canada? Hold on. Yeah, it's clearly Canadian. Who here remembers that? Well, they had it available at Costco and I was so happy and I bought it and I am just enjoying it right now because I think the last time I saw it was at like World Market, right? But you don't really see it mainstream anymore. So the fact that I saw it, I bought it and I'm very happy right now. Okay, what does the N1 mean? Wait, hold on. What does N stand for? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wait. Print. F. E. Models. Response. Response dot spaces dot dot stitch dot. Okay. Add. Reproduce. Okay. We're going to also for n in. Actually, should it be n equals 1? Let me see. Hi, Old Chronicles. How are you tonight? Okay, so just kidding. We are going to for n in range of 3. Oh, I guess it would also help if I had okay, am I reading? So this is also why I feel like I'm getting summer. Okay, run the same prompt 3 times with 3 different temperature settings. So is this telling me to run it 3 different times? So 9 times? Or is it telling me to run it 3 times? Okay. Hey, Straight yes, I am doing an assignment. Feel like I feel like 0 gives me the best temperature. uh Yeah, I feel like 0 gives me the most consistent because 0.7 sometimes gives me a sentence and sometimes it just gives me a name. Yeah, I'm gonna say 0. Yes, I am using VS Code. R so yeah, you can use Python. I think for the most part, VS Code can, and somebody please correct me if I am wrong. VS Code can do most languages without too much additional setup except for C. But please correct me if I'm wrong, people, because I only have done JavaScript, Python, and HTML and CSS. Thanks so much for the follow, Markwin. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so VS Code can do most yeah, but like the extensions are pretty easy to download except for C. For C, for whatever reason, um it like I this was when I was first starting to code. Temperature for the bot. So it's a term, it's a variable that you put in. Um it controls the randomness. So it's not like actual temperature like 70 degrees or 30 Celsius. It's the temperature of the bot or client or I don't know, API. um and like it's how creative it'll be. So the higher the temperature, the more creative it'll get. It's a this is an actual see, this is why I feel like I'm getting dumb. What is a parameter? It's an actual parameter of the client. So I can fill in that parameter. Yes. It controls the randomness and creative. Uh, it's OpenAI's documentation. Yeah, so Cabos on YouTube put it way more concisely. And see, Sending, you cannot tell me that I am speaking proper English at this point. Yeah, so uh they put it so much better. It controls the randomness and creativity. No, seriously, it's been pretty bad. My writing has been horrendous. My Actually, speaking of which, sorry, well, I remember I need to actually um send an email. I need to do a follow-up. Okay. Uh Oh yeah. So part of the sleep deprivation is my fault. Like yesterday, I finished my homework. I finished um elite code problem, and then I was in Discord streaming, right? And then I was just like, okay, I'm gonna go to bed now. And then I stayed up till 2:33 a.m. reading. And the baby bunny, no, okay, sorry, I stayed up till 2. I probably was up later, but I put my book down at 2. And then baby bunny woke up at 6 a.m. this morning. So 4 hours of sleep, guys. Thanks for subscribing on YouTube, Renato. I'm not good at reading documentation in general. Testing out a few times, 0.7 would sometimes give us the suggestion. Other times give conversational output. Sure, 0. Also, suggestion. I'm gonna actually make a note of this. Okay. Hi, Priceless. Welcome in. Uh, so I'm not gonna click that right now. If anybody wants to try clicking on the link, but don't. I take no responsibility. I probably should change my link uh permissions. Not data, but AI consultancy. I see. So what do you consult on? Oh, okay, okay, okay. So N is the number of responses that I would receive. Yes, I know AI, but how companies can utilize it, how to how like do you build the AI bots for the companies? Do you go in and talk to them about how they can Okay, we're gonna space this out to be like how I space it. I might get yelled at, but it's okay. I mean, actually, it does look like that is a... They do have the space. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I will learn to do... I will learn to have the layout like this. It's fine. Okay, so... Wow. See, sending. Did you not just see that? I just put ROF for 4 instead of FOR. Also, guys, I do have slight dyslexia, so I feel like it comes out more when I'm tired. I'm like, I don't know what that means. Okay, so for... Is it N for X and N? Is N... No. Okay, so that's not gonna work. So... Where's the... Okay, so... Oh. Okay, so I was... Choice... So I was right. Print... Can I use enumerate? Can I use enumerate on this? Uh, wow, can't type. Can't spell. Uh, voice dot message dot content. Oh, I was asking if I could enumerate on choices. Okay, hold on. Let me look. Interval start equals 1. I don't like how this looks. I don't like how that looks. I have to admit, this is a lot less heavy than this is a lot less heavy than the machine learning stuff that I have been working on. Completions. Yeah, so this is a lot less heavy than the data science machine learning stuff that I've been working on. And I didn't dislike it. I think it was just the whole analyzing thing. I'm like I've said before, I can analyze it, I can understand it, but would I want to analyze all the time? So like last week's homework just felt so heavy to me because it was not a lot of coding and it was a lot of just looking at the data and being like, okay, well, what does the data say? What does the data mean? And I can do that, but there's a reason why I didn't go want to become a data analyst. There's a reason why I don't want to become a data analyst because I don't want to literally just sit there and analyze data for the rest of my life. I can do it, but I would rather code and then analyze a little bit of data. Is that me just dreaming? Because do I have like this completely misunderstood um expectation of what a data engineer is going to be? Oh wait, max completion tokens? No. I'm just curious. No, it looks like I do need, okay. It looks like I do need that, right? I guess I don't need that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Fine. temperature 0.7 just gave me a whole lot of suggestions. What happened? It stopped. It stopped. Okay. Um, I mean, I feel like because if it's something heavy, then we wouldn't want it to we we wouldn't want it to um use all of our tokens, right? Stopped at mid-sentence. Okay. I want to follow your journey. Where's a good place? Are you following a course? I would not want to put OpenClaw on. Why is my YouTube chat so delayed? I'm following Code the Dream. It's a free coding program to for people in the States. You do have to apply to it, and I think that the application deadline is actually this weekend. So they're still accepting applications. So again, it's in the States. It's a free program. They have two tracks. They have the web development track and they have the data engineering. I'm in the data engineering track right now, in the Python AI and cloud computing class. So yeah. Oh my baby, I think I hear her whimpering. What happened? The response stopped. Oh, excuse me. Has it been 6 minutes? Oh my gosh, it's been 6 minutes since you watered your plant. Why am I... Hi, blank space. Homework. So for those who are just joining, um, I here's my planned schedule for the next week. Today, homework, tomorrow, homework, Friday, Saturday, leet code, maybe mock interviews. So that also means that I will not be looking at chat. I will just be focused and um so maybe mock interviews, but definitely studying leet code. Sunday might stream, might not stream. Monday might stream, might not stream. I have 2 interviews that day, so it's gonna be yeah. But today and tomorrow will be homework. Role system content. You're patient. Where am I getting mock interviews? A couple of my friends are getting giving them to me. So one of them actually gave me a real mock interview, gave me a real interview question from his company before. Actually, so did my friend at Amazon. He told me that, granted, I'm pretty sure the question he gave me was for seniors, but he gave me an interview question that he also uses a lot at Amazon. But yeah, like just asking friends who are senior devs that do interviews, or else like how long. He's also a streamer. He offered to give me a mock interview or pair code. Um, Shang, Shang, what do you mean? How to understand this? Too many lines? I understand what? Sorry. Encode the Dream is the program I'm learning from. Patient encouraging models response. Digit stats choice. Really, how do I? Oh wait, how do I? Hold on. Let me. Um, not not the ones from my friends. Um, those I agreed before they asked me for the mock interviews that I wouldn't give it to them. So, but one was regarding trees, and the other one was systems management, which I think was a little bit unfair because I asked if I could use default dictionary And then I was told no, but then when he sent me the solution that his oh, thanks so much for the follow. Life in pet life. Thanks so much for the follow. He told me I couldn't use default dictionary, and then so I was trying to build the dictionary out with checks and everything, and then it turned out that the Python solution that he sent me used default dictionary. The main topic of this video is just hanging out. This isn't a tutorial or anything like that. This is just I'm documenting my journey as I learn to code. I learn AI and machine learning. Code the Dream, the title is the course name. So it's the course that I am doing right now. Thanks so much for the follow, Neo Steel. Hi, MM on YouTube. Is a vibe coding bot you chat with? Interesting. You can't code when people are watching? You're gonna need to code when people are watching for technical interviews though. Okay, hold on. I'm confused. Let me Google this or look this up. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay. It actually pushes projects. I am writing a result called a federal. Excuse me, I do not know. I will be completely transparent with you. I do not know what I'm doing half the time either. half the time, half the other half of the time, sometimes I'm just like, wow, I'm on a roll and everything, but half the time I'm just like doing some stuff that chat questions a lot. Lyth, are you talking about this homework or the data engineering course? Probably. It might if you get your PhD and go into research. Hi, coding therapist. How are you? At least I will admit I don't know. Okay, so fonts equals chat dot completion. Oh, dot create. And model okay, what did I just do? No, I don't want that. Model equals bt 40 dot okay, comma messages equals messages, right? Response voice. Have you started this homework, or I feel like you are probably probably already done. I feel like you're way ahead of me. Oh my goodness. How long have you Yeah, but what do you mean life? Like how long on this particular um learning how to use the bot or I think I think response message. Oh, that's I mean, maybe who knows? It's at this point I feel like it's just make it till you break it. You only do math? Hey, there's a lot of math and statistics. There's a lot of math and statistics in machine learning. Also, hey, coding therapist, can I ask, have your assignments been getting approved? Like, I'm kind of wondering if I should message my lead to be like, "Hey, I haven't had any of my assignments approved or rejected." Jim, why am I working late nights? Because I am taking care of my kid the rest of the day. Like, and right now especially I'm solo parenting. So she is with me from the time. Oh no, she's with me in bed too because we co-sleep. So literally I am with her except from 9 p.m. till like 12 or 1 a.m. my time. So yeah, I only get that 4 hours and yeah, it stinks. And then sometimes I don't even get the 4 hours because she wakes up. Oop. Yes, I'm at choices. What do you mean? Some serious parent points? What do you mean sending? I I cried to my therapist today and I was just like, I feel like I'm failing as a parent. This is a very long explanation of list comprehension. I don't really get kudos. I think I'm doing the bare minimum. I feel like I'm being a parent. Isn't that what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to be with her, aren't I? Ooh, that my hey. My kid is still awake. Yeah, he's on a business trip, but either way, like she prefers me. And so at night it's like luckily she's just laying there today. Um Sometimes she will, which kind of actually worries me. Like I don't want her to feel like I've abandoned her. Oh, I'm gonna get emotional. But no offense taken. Um yeah, so he's away and luckily he did take the dogs with him because they can stay with the his parents while he is on his business trip um because he's actually working in the same city as where his parents live. So luckily he took the dogs with him um this time. But like even when he's here, she prefers me and I'm the one that brings her to her programs. I'm the one that makes sure that she gets fed. I'm the one that makes sure that she gets clothed appropriately for whatever activities we have that day. I'm the one that's making sure that in she's going to the potty and like so it's a lot and it's not that he doesn't want to help, it's more that she prefers me. How about we show them they do not know what they're doing and get a job from it? I mean, you would have to get into the board meetings then. She's a toddler. Well, no wonder she prefers me. I mean, I think it's also he struggles with consistency. Um, so I think it's confusing with her too sometimes. But okay, so here's the thing. So when he is here, he is in charge of bath time so that I can go shower and get ready for bed like uninterrupted. I get 15 to 20 minutes uninterrupted most nights. Some nights it's only like 5 to 10 minutes, but most nights I get 15 to 20 minutes uninterrupted. Right now, with hubby not here, I don't get any, obviously. But yeah, like he is in charge of bath nights, and then if I need, most of the time he is available to help too. Nice surprise, so study. Which video did you see? Or are you talking about this live right now? Uh, I mean, what do you what video about coding would you like? Surprise. Like how to code? I have a toddler coding video. I must be a great parent. I think I'm a over anxious parent. I am an over anxious parent. I am Yeah, I read too much and I worry too much. I Coding is not boring. I strongly disagree with that. Coding is not boring. Coding is probably one like coding is incredibly creative. You have to be very creative to be a programmer, I feel. Yeah, but I read too much and oh, another thing too, I think I make it harder on myself because we're completely screen free. Um she's it I mean, you don't have to enjoy it. You could find it boring, but I don't find it boring at all. But we're completely screen free and yeah, I think that makes it harder on myself as well. Because, like why would I do that to myself? Hold on, guys. Something. Right? Coding is so much fun. Welcome in, Jonas. Yeah, so I think I am like I think I tend to stretch myself too thin. Yeah, right, Benji? Um, yeah, so like and then I'm always trying to find enrichment for her. Like we do a lot of physical running and climbing and stuff. I do like to think that while I am a helicopter parent, I still like to give her my my risk tolerance is generally decently high, like with how she climbs. Um sending uh send I'm gonna actually send you a picture of baby bunny. Like she climbed this giant structure. um it was we were eating, she was like, "Mommy, can I go play?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's fine." I wasn't expecting her to climb it. And um and it just she was on top of it. And then I was just like, literally I turned around, ate a bite of food, turned back to look at her, and she was on top of it. And um she was able to climb down. Oh my gosh, she's still awake. She's still awake, guys. She was able to climb down herself and everything like that, but I had to go over there, obviously. She is also an adrenaline junkie. She really likes roller coasters. um and the uh I'm still doing Leet Code. I just don't have as much time right now. So, this program I'm in, the Code the Dream program, is not asynchronous. So, I do have to turn in the homework every week, or else I will get kicked out of it. um, and why I'm really pushing to go through this is there's a practicum at the end of the course where you're paired with other people and you build a real world application. So that's one of my driving factors. But I will be doing Leak Code on Friday and Saturday. I have two interviews on Monday that I need to study for and get into the mindset. So basically I'm gonna switch from here, this AI um bot client, to Leak Code Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I will be doing Leak Code. You want to create a realistic game, but you don't know. I mean, that's the best motivation. You want to build a game, and if you have a vision, just start with something simple. What kind of game do you want to build? Do you want to build a rogue what are those called? The roguelike flat one? Do you want to build an immersive world? Do you want to build yeah, like what do you want to build? And then from there, okay, how can I simplify this? Why don't I build Minesweeper first? Why don't I build what if I built like Hangman first and then keep building on top of that? Okay. Roguelike, yes, roguelike. Burned out. Burned out. Overwhelmed. Mom to a toddler. You try to be patient. Who believes in gentle parenting. Try to say. Yeah, it's only for US citizens. Oh, thanks so much, Jim. Where am I getting Code the Dream? It's pinned on the bottom. It's a program I'm part of. You do have to apply, you do have to do pre-work for it. And then once you've gotten accepted, then they have the whole curriculum and you're able to do it. But you have to turn in the homework assignments on time or early. So like last class, I was done with the class, I think like by week 8. I want to say like week 7 or 8, I was done with the class. This time I feel like it's taking me a lot longer because this is all new that people can use. Yeah, so you're gonna definitely need probably some AI, machine learning, PyTorch, image recognition, image reading, which this program does have a little bit of. I feel like that's one word. See, sending. I don't know how to spell anymore. I don't know how to spell. Is that one word? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Game that. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, Wolf Reaver. I appreciate it so much. I'm probably gonna end stream soon though because my kid is still awake. And oh, sending thanks for the Gigantify emote. I really need to. We don't even know. Hi, Misty. I really need to update my emote. I wish there's something. There might be. There might be. Okay. I totally get it. Learning new things can be so... Yeah, this is... You are burned out and out of patience. Be short and sarcastic. I don't know. Can you be whelmed? Can you be whelmed? Keep practicing. And remember, every coder was a beginner at some point. You're doing great. Wait, I think I missed it. What? Wait, what? Oh, your quote. I think I need to rewatch that movie. I remember they tried to bring out a show. I don't remember Saddam. I do think I had to fill out my address because it's for tax purposes. So this is a nonprofit, so they do collect information so that they can submit it for the grants. But I don't remember exactly what they collected, but I do remember that they collected... It was my... I'm pretty sure it was my my address, and I think I had to send my driver's license or form of ID. changed. Bye, surprise! Thanks for hanging out. Okay, I'm gonna hit a focus mode and I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna focus. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm gonna hit a focus mode. Thanks for streaming. It's super helpful to see you as someone making tutorials. Ah, very cool title. So are you a senior engineer or are you like what made you decide to make tutorials and teaching materials? And I will read your response when I come back from focus mode. Let's see, system question. Also, guys, I wish I was knitting right now. Okay, maybe. Uh, Send it in a single API call. Uh, equals client dot okay. Build the following. Okay, just kidding. Focus mode. Be right back. Baby's awake. Like, awake and crying awake. Thanks for the follow, Title Gate. Okay, back to focus. Build the following. No loop, just construct. Okay, and then print the model's response. Print. Did she say? Okay, sorry. She's calling for me. I don't know what she said in the monitor. I'll be right back. Okay. So, uh, pros and cons of having a potty trained toddler. She is staying dry through the night, like way earlier than most of her peers. Actually, way earlier than I was even expecting. However, she also has recently started waking up in the middle of the night. Like, I want to say, like, past like 4 months, that she's been dry overnight. She's slept, like, she hasn't had to sleep, but like the past like 2 weeks or so, she's been waking up to go potty, and she'll be letting me know that she has to go potty, which is awesome. But pros and cons, because sometimes I will be asleep and at 2 a.m. she needs to go potty. So it's like I can't not take her, because that will teach her, oh, I can still go in the diaper. But then it's like, because we still have her in diapers overnight. Although, like I said, my husband tries, but like he forgets to bring her to go bathroom before. So like quiet time, right? He doesn't he forgets to bring her to the bathroom before quiet time. He didn't put her in a diaper, and then she ended up having an accident. Like, she was saying, I think she said that she needed to go, but he was the one paying attention, and I don't think he was listening. And then I heard it, but I heard it late. And yeah, so she had an accident, and then yeah, so that's what I yeah. It's rough. It's rough. Okay. Oh, my focus mode is still on. I'm gonna restart it. I'll be back. What happens if I do that? Let's see. Is that him reminding? Is that the chatbot reminding? My question. Oh, your name is Jordan. Okay, so why is it remembering? It is remembering because... That makes sense. The Okay. 50 minutes and 15 minutes. An hour. Oh. Prompt engineering. Oh. Um. Let me make sure that this is correct. Now, I'm second guessing. I'm second guessing. Oh, print each result labeled with the review number. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Um multi Oh, okay. Uh She's still awake. Oh my gosh, guys, she's still awake. I'm gonna call it tonight, guys. This is guys, guys, she's still awake. I put her to bed 3 hours ago and she's still freaking awake. I'm a very light sleeper, MM. Hi, Adam. Or you were here already. But yay, you planted a plant. Hi. Thanks for the follow, Hubail. I appreciate it. Thanks for the follow, Dotnetarian. I appreciate it so much. But yeah, my husband can sleep like a log. I am much harder to Okay, hold on. What is this? This says Oh. I guess it would help. Choices. I'm glad too, MM. It's really weird seeing the YouTube logo on your name instead of Twitch, though. It is a little off-putting. But yes, I do appreciate you coming and hanging out on Freedom. I am so excited for you. I forget, did you do the advanced version? Air code. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm like, I want to finish this. I want to finish this, but then Huh. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Oh, wait. Hold on, hold on, hold on. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, I forgot the user. I forgot the user. That's right. That's right. Equals um oh, that's right. That's right. You did the weather one. Ugh. Okay, hold on. What did I do? Content. Sorry, it's content. Oh my gosh. I feel see this is where I feel guilty. Like she's crying and I'm just like I'm so like fixated on I need to finish this. I need to finish this and I feel so guilty. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just call it tonight. I mean, I feel like I got a decent amount done. I have to like this these are I think pretty straightforward. Um yeah, these are pretty straightforward. Going to of course yeah, but if you know Python, I feel like if you know a language, it's pretty it makes sense when you start learning the second language. Okay, but yeah, guys, I gotta go. I'm sorry. I just it's silly. Like she spent all day with me and I still feel like this guilt that I am leaving her there to cry. And like I don't want her to have anxiety at nights while she's sleeping. So I appreciate you all. I will be back tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, good luck, Neo Steel, with your pre-work. I appreciate you all, and yeah, this lesson is a lot less heavy than the past couple of weeks. So, okay, thank you guys. Okay, bye guys. Appreciate you. Also, don't forget on YouTube and on Twitch if you want to catch my next streams, make sure you hit the heart so that you either follow or subscribe. And then on YouTube, if you enjoyed it, please thumbs up the video. Please, please, please. Yeah. Okay. I appreciate you. Bye guys.